Okay, so there's an argument goes around like this.
Yeah, proof of work is more efficient and secure than proof of stake.
Proof of work destroys the environment. It has so many wastes. Proof of stake is much cleaner.
Yet, the argument never settled. Alright, let's put all the elements into a table so that we can compare. Proof of work offers unhealthy competition. You can start up your mining gigs almost anywhere to solve the puzzle to get the block rewards. The upfront cost will keep the inefficient miners short, keeping the network vigilant. The return on investment on mining must make a profit, so the miners can find the cheapest energy, renewable energy. Mining requires a lot of intensive energy use, as much as 6 million US households per year. E-waste will be enormous when most of the chips are getting thrown out. Most mining facilities will have a physical location, and authority can pressure to shut down at will. Now for the proof of stake. Validator can start staking on Ethereum network. 33 Ethereum minimum. Staking can be customizable, either they set up on their computer or let a service provider do that. They receive transaction fee on the network as reward. Currently, there's nothing sure about scalability on a proof of stake at the large scale. Centralization. Big money will enjoy economic at scale to continue to be picked again from time to time. Security on the proof of stake is strong but is not as resilient on the proof of work. Both of them have advantages and drawbacks, which will offer opportunity to users to decide. Still, it is a consensus mechanism that handles how secure data on a different chains. We can see clearly that proof of work and proof of stake are not against each other, and they can coexist. Even if Ethereum completes the merge within this year, Bitcoin will still be able to interchange with it. Metaphorically, proof of work is an old reliable truck and proof of stake is an electric minivan. They were all meant for giving transport through financial means. Now let's settle the argument. What do you think? Let me know in the comment.